The Lamborghini Revuelto. Just the name itself sounds like a storm about to break. But what we're looking at here isn't just another supercar from Sant'Agata Bolognese. It's the dawn of a new era for Lamborghini. The 2027 Revuelto takes the brand's raging bull DNA and electrifies it. Quite literally. This isn't the future of Lamborghini. This is Lamborghini's future, roaring into the present with a hybrid heart and a soul that still screams V12. Let's dive deep into what makes the 2027 Revuelto such a monumental machine. From its insane powertrain to its otherworldly design, and the way it redefines what a hybrid supercar can truly be. From the moment you lay eyes on the Revuelto, it's pure shock and awe. Lamborghini has never played it safe, and this car continues that legacy. Every angle, every crease, every vent is engineered for performance, but shaped like art. The front end is sharp, aggressive, and lower than ever, dominated by massive Y-shaped LED headlights that look like lightning bolts frozen in motion. The bumper is a blend of aerodynamic precision and raw aggression, channeling air with purpose, not just for looks. Move along the side, and the profile is unmistakably Lamborghini. Wedge-shaped, muscular, with deep sculpted lines that look ready to slice the air. The massive side intakes feed the hybrid system and keep that V12 breathing freely. Even the wheels, up to 21 inches up front and 22 at the rear, are designed to be lightweight and aerodynamic, wrapped in performance Pirelli P0s that grip the asphalt like a supercar should. Around the back, the Revuelto feels like a spaceship preparing for liftoff. Twin hexagonal exhaust tips sit high, flanked by razor-thin LED taillights. The massive diffuser and an active rear wing don't just look dramatic. They provide downforce that keeps this beast glued to the road, especially at speeds well north of 300 kilometers per hour. This isn't just designed for the sake of drama. It's functional aggression, Lamborghini style. Step inside, and you realize the Revuelto isn't just about adrenaline. It's also about evolution. The interior is still very much a fighter jet cockpit, but this time, it's infused with sophistication and technology that truly bring Lamborghini into the hybrid age. You're greeted by a digital triple-screen setup, one in front of the driver, a central infotainment display, and a smaller one for the passenger. It's a tech-laden command center that feels alive, with every pixel responding instantly. The steering wheel, chunky and flat-bottomed, integrates drive mode selectors and controls that let you switch from hybrid cruising to full V12 insanity in seconds. Even the paddle shifters have been redesigned. They're larger, machined from aluminum, and feel as tactile as flicking a switch in a fighter jet. The seats are sculpted, lightweight, and yet surprisingly comfortable. Lamborghini offers multiple materials, from sustainable Dinamica microfiber to premium Italian leather, so owners can tailor the cabin to their taste. Cargo space? Well, this isn't your daily grocery getter, but there's enough room for a weekend bag or two, proving that even a hybrid hypercar can have a practical side. Sort of. And now we get to the heart of the beast, the reason this car exists. The 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto is powered by a brand new 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing an astonishing 814 horsepower on its own. But that's just the beginning. Add in 3 electric motors, 2 up front and 1 integrated with the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and total output climbs to a mind-blowing 1,001 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. 1,001 horses from a Lamborghini that still revs like the devil himself. This setup makes the Revuelto the most powerful production Lamborghini ever. And because of its hybrid system, it's not just about brute force, it's about intelligent power delivery. The instant torque from the electric motors fills in every gap, making throttle response immediate, smooth, and relentless. The Revuelto launches from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and it can blast past 200 kilometers per hour in under 7. The top speed? Over 350 kilometers per hour. But the real thrill isn't in the numbers, it's in how it feels. The moment you floor it, the V12 wails like a symphony of chaos, while the electric motors deliver a silent, instant punch that pins you to the seat. Lamborghini's new all-wheel drive system now operates smarter than ever, with electric torque vectoring on the front axle and adaptive aerodynamics that read the road and adjust in milliseconds. The result? The Revuelto isn't just fast, it's precise, balanced, and surprisingly manageable for something with over 1,000 horsepower. On the technology and safety front, Lamborghini has gone far beyond what we're used to seeing in traditional supercars. The hybrid system is controlled by an advanced electronic brain that constantly monitors torque, traction, and energy flow. You can drive the Revuelto in fully electric mode for short distances, perfect for city centers or quiet early mornings. Driver assistance systems are finally stepping into the Lamborghini world too. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure alerts, traffic sign recognition, and 360-degree camera systems come standard, though they're tuned to maintain the car's high-performance focus. You won't find the Revuelto doing self-driving tricks. This car is meant for you to drive, but it will watch your back when things get intense. Connectivity is cutting-edge, with wireless smartphone integration, over-the-air updates, and an onboard telemetry suite that lets you analyze your laps, acceleration, and even the hybrid energy flow, all in real time. It's the kind of tech that feels built for enthusiasts, not just convenience. Now, what does all this brilliance cost? The 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto carries a starting price of around $650,000, though as with any Lamborghini, most owners will personalize theirs far beyond that. Custom paint, bespoke interior finishes, and performance options can easily push the price north of $750,000. As for availability, Lamborghini has already started production for early customers, with global deliveries expected to ramp up through mid-2027. Demand, as you can imagine, is absolutely sky-high. Every initial allocation has been spoken for months in advance. So, where does the Revuelto stand in today's supercar world? It's stepping into a battlefield that's more electrified and competitive than ever, with rivals like the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, McLaren Artura, and Aston Martin Valhalla, all offering hybrid performance. But Lamborghini's approach feels purer, louder, and more emotionally charged. While others lean towards silence and efficiency, the Revuelto screams rebellion. It's not apologizing for being wild, it's celebrating it. It's proof that electrification doesn't have to mean the death of the supercar roar. Instead, it can amplify it. The 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto isn't just a car. It's a statement that the V12 isn't dead yet. It's the bridge between the thunderous past and the electrified future, crafted with passion, performance, and that unmistakable Lamborghini flair. Every bolt, every sound, every moment behind the wheel reminds you that this brand doesn't just build machines, it builds emotion on four wheels. So, as the Revuelto tears through this new era, one thing is clear. Lamborghini hasn't changed what it stands for, only how it expresses it. The storm is here, and it's more electrifying than ever. If this review brought you closer to the legend of Lamborghini, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Ride Empire. There's plenty more where this came from. The world's most thrilling machines, told through passion and precision. Stay tuned, because the next roar might just be louder than this one.